Okay dudes, taking off this Mopar window trim. Oh, it can be a pain, especially when you're saving it and you don't want to damage it. Oh, there's a tool that you can buy, but I ended up just making one out of a broken lock ring pliers. Just grind at the end till it could fit in there. Just hook it on the tab and then just turn it, and it actually works pretty good. Just got to make sure you keep it away from the windshield. This was already cracked before we started, so I'm not really too worried about it. But yeah, let's give it a shot. Use a couple of these little plastic wedges to actually stick into the crevice to give you a little bit of room so you can see where the actual clip is. It's not just going to pop off like that. There's one more in here. You see it's all full of shit. So basically, you're going to wedge your little guy in there, give you a tiny bit of room. Use this tiny screwdriver and kind of clean the shit out from behind it. Could use a vacuum or a blowgun, but like it'll be so full of shit that you can't see it, right? So you're gonna clean it out for a minute. Once you can actually see where the clip is, slide this little guy in there and give it a twist. I still can't see it. There it is. Boom. Oops. Popped off the window, but we also got the trim off. Great. That was the biggest one that you're worried about all the time, the bottom of the window. One big ass long piece. Nice. Boom. Okay, I want to see the proper way to get this weather stripping off so you can actually reuse it and not just destroy all these little T-clips in there. Because if you just use this kind of thing and go prying at it, you're just going to break every single one of them. So the right way to do it is actually to go inside the door panel, and you'll see a little, I don't know if I can actually get shit to focus, a little inside of the clip is right there. So what you got to do to actually get these things off properly, needle nose pliers, grab the inside of the thing and just squeeze it a little bit right at the base. Boom, just pops out just like that. Saved it. Saved it. Saved it. Saved it. Oh, no, not yet. Saved it. I just broke most of them on the other side doing it the wrong way, so this is making me stoked that it's working so easy. Saved it. They don't all work so easy, sometimes they're kind of stubborn. Come on, go in, there you go. Anyway, so you do that. There's some spots where there'll be a doubled up piece of metal and the clip is on the inside and you can't reach it. But you'll have to break those ones. Check it out, I got it out, and like most of the clips are still in it, so we can use it again. Awesome.
Yeah.